Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Today I'm going to bring you its men's watch. Let's open and have a look. First we can see it's a manual book, and then it's our guarantee card. We will provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's our watch. Yes, this model number is NF9191. First of all, let's have a look at the data about this watch. This is a very simple design of casual or business design. We can see it is only 3 hands design, and we can have a look at the dial. There are 2 different patterns combined to the dial. The upper is the woven and carbon pattern, and the lower is the wood pattern. And on the 7 o'clock position, we can see this is a very bigger number here, and in the 3 o'clock position we can see it is a calendar window, and at 12 o'clock position is our logo brand. And we also have the luminous content on the indices and the hands. Also, we have a special design for this model. It can counter cross rotate infinitely. See, you can relax and your press during the daily time. And also we can see there is some numbers on the bezel, and also it's for enlarge the numbers when we use it in the water or in some place is not bright enough. And this is 2 layers combine the bezel and the case. And let's have a detailed look at the band. This is the high quality polish progress, and it uses the stainless steel. And the buckle here have our logo. 2 steps to open this buckle, and then press here. Now here we can open the watch. Let me take it on my wrist. Okay, here is the watch on my wrist. My wrist is 15 cm. So nice, isn't it? Okay, these models we got 6 colors. Later I will show you all. Okay, here is the 6th color. Just now I have shown you this color, blue, combine the rose gold bezel. Actually, this model we have made it divide into 2 groups of the colors. This is the simple color, and these 3 ones, it's 2 colors combined. Okay, now I'll show you this simple blue colors combine the silver band. Okay, this is the only blue combine the silver. And it's only 1 crown here. and we can find the model number at the back case. Okay, the next color is green bezel, combine the black dial. And through this 3-1 is the black dial. The calendar window here, calendar, and the bezel, we can rotate it. It's very funny, isn't it? And this black one, it's a light black dial, and the bezel is deep black color. Okay, these two color contrast. You can see the bezel, this is the rose gold, and this bezel is combined black and gold color. And something special is this pen have two colors combined. Alright, to try this one on my wrist. Wow, I like this color. It's very nice and eye-catching. Yes, it's really good looking. Okay, this is all for today. You can come to our official store to buy any of them, and if you buy more, the discount is more. Okay, this is all for today. Bye, see you next time.